it's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can see from the title, and y'all see I got my wig cap on, so you know what time it is. I'm just gonna do an initial review and unboxing of this bomb braided wig I got from Fabulosity hair. So you know, it comes with the thank you card. It says we appreciate you, and then it actually gave me a 10% off code for my next purchase, if I choose to do so, which is very possible because y'all, this wig is so bomb. I'm so excited for it. And then it came with this oversized bonnet for sleeping in. If you get one of the longer lengths of their braids and you lay the wig down, you can put this over and protect it overnight, and it is so cute. I love the print on this. And then it also came with a matching face mask, so if you want to go out in style, y'all, then that's it with COVID going on and stuff. But here's the actual wig, and it's a full lace wig, and just look how tight and neat these braids are, y'all. I got the shortest length they had in this unit. It's called the I believe it's the Divina unit. So I think the hair is about 16 inches, 16-inch braids. It already has the elastic band on. It has some clips. And then I chose to get the wig with baby hair in the front. So you see that perimeter braid, it's baby hair. So actually what I'm gonna do right now is take my comb and undo this braid around the perimeter so y'all can see what the baby hair is looking like. I actually saw this wig off of African Beauty, her YouTube channel, so check her out. But anyways, here is the wig with the baby hair taken out. And y'all, I don't even know if I should call this baby hair because the hair is so long. Like, it might as well be the length of the braids. That's how extra this baby hair was. So I don't know if I should have got it without baby hair or not, but it's just gonna take a lot to customize that. And that's kind of annoying. So y'all see how long this is? But oh my gosh, y'all, look at the scalp. Look at the scalp, y'all. Y'all can't tell me I ain't go to the salon and sit in the chair for 8 hours getting these braids done, y'all. This is beautiful. It's supposed to be a knotless braid look, and so I think they really hit the nail on the head. Like, this is a hand braided wig. It was made in Nigeria. It was shipped from Nigeria, and it was well worth the wait. So I'm actually just gonna take this off and do a quick little tinting of the lace. So like I said, it was a full lace wig, but I'm gonna take my liquid foundation that I have and a brush and then just brush over the lace. I know y'all gonna say like, oh, you shouldn't be using liquid foundation on it, but I don't even wear makeup like that, so this is all I got. So bear with me, y'all. So let me show you what it's looking like. I think it actually improved the look a lot. I did the front and the back, even though I'll never wear this wig up, but I mean, just why not? You know what I'm saying? So let me put it on and show y'all the difference, if y'all even see a difference, because I definitely noticed it. Yeah, y'all, look at this scalp. I am so happy I bought this, y'all. Wow. I am so happy. I got the shortest length just because I'm in the military, and if I wanted to wear this wig and like put it in a bun, a low bun, then I can do that without it being too bulky. But they do have super long braids, y'all. So if you want them booty length braids but don't want to wait in the chair for them, then they got you. I am 5'6", well, almost 5'6". I'm like 5'5.5", and these braids come about a little past mid-back on me, so I was satisfied with the length. But some of y'all might think it's too short, but whatever, I like it. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm actually gonna do a separate video with me customizing and installing this unit, but in that next video, I'm already gonna have the lace cut because, as y'all can see, I already started cutting. This wig just got me so excited. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video to see me installing it, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.